So when we're trying to do art for ourselves at home for relaxation, it's really important to connect with yourself. So basically the first step that could be useful would be to check in, how am I feeling and what do I need in this moment? So any process where you're writing or thinking or making a picture using paint or pencil or clay about how you're feeling in the present can be a really useful tool. So that could be step one, how do I feel now? Then step two, make an image that responds to that first image. So make a second image, that's how do I want to feel, or what would be helpful for me right now. So where am I in the present, and then where would I like to go, or what would be useful for me? And that could be made with pen on paper, it could be paint, it could be a finger painting, it could be through movement and dance, it could be using sculptural images, collage, so many different things. But if you're wanting to relax yourself, it can be really useful to start in the present and then see what would be helpful for you. So 2 little